In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn off the in-game overlay on Discord. First, open Discord on your PC. At the bottom left, click the user settings icon, the little gear next to your username. In the menu on the left, scroll down and click Game Overlay under Activity Settings. Now, turn off the switch next to Enable Overlay. Disabling the overlay will apply to all your games. You may be prompted to fill out a quick form, but you can choose to skip it or complete it if you wish. If you only want to turn it off for certain games, go to Registered Games, find the game, and click the monitor icon next to it. And that's it. The Discord in-game overlay is now turned off. If this helped you out, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.